So this is about explaining the t-test. So as you saw that in a variable view, you have the one group that is the two different groups. It's daily quizzes and the no quizzes. You can put the value, and then the scores are just the pure numbers. In the data view, you have the group is a group 1 or 2, as you saw what that group means, and then the quiz scores are here. So when you have only two groups, you can run the t-test. And there are two different t-tests. One is independent, and the other was dependent. And in this case, as you can see in your problem 2, they have the two sections. So these two classes, they learn the same subject by the one professor. So they have the daily quizzes in each meeting, and another group is no quizzes in each meeting. So when the groups are different, you can run the independent test. So let's go back to our data. So here you can go now analyze and compare means and prepositions, and then you can go for independent test. So here you can put the test variable, it will be the quiz scores, and then the grouping variable is group. And then they ask to define groups. So we define the group 1 and 1, group 2 and 2. So the number 1 was the with quizzes, and then the other one is no quizzes. You can put the number, continue, and then you have options. That is the default, so you don't have to check anything. And now you can do OK. And in the output generate, the result is generated. So t-test result shows that the group mean differences. Here you can see the mean is 8.37 and the other one is 2.87, but you can make the rounded value 8.38 and 2.88. And the Levin's test shows that the significance, that is 0.288. So that means that the significance is not significant level. So you can consider the Levin's test that the homogeneity is assumed. So when the homogeneity is assumed, you will read the test result to the first line. So here the t-value is 6.30, and the degree of freedom, and in fact the two-sided p-value is less than 0.001. So this means that when you see the mean value here, they are significantly different between the two groups' scores. So that, and then you have also the effect size is a coins D. That means that how it's possible to have this result in our real life. So that is the effect size. The coins D is 1.74. That is the strong value, strong effect. So you can report this. So when you report the t-test, you will go for the this independent sample t-test table, and then you say the homogeneity is assumed or not, and then you can report the value here. And also you have to say that how much mean difference and the standard deviation, and also the effect size. So this is about the t-test. Thank you.